1,200 square foot pool deck that we are going to renew and restore and revitalize with a decorative stone overlay. First thing we're going to do is prepare this concrete by pressure cleaning it and getting it ready for patching and filling and re-leveling. Areas that have delaminated, chipped, or flaked or uneven, we use a polymer modified cement. Once that is in place and has had plenty of time to dry after a 24-hour period, we come in and grind off any of our trowel marks or any unevenness to smooth things out again. Once that is complete, then it's ready now for what's called the grout line color that's going to be placed on the pool deck. This is the color that's going to reflect through the superficial stones that we're going to create as you'll see this evolve. Once that's dried overnight, then we come back in and put in the grout line itself. You can choose whatever size of grout line that you want to, and once you've got your design and pattern in place, then it's ready to have the textured base coat put down. We just go right over the top of the tape, and you'll see how this comes alive afterwards when you pull the tape up, how the grout line reflects through the base texture coat. We'll clean this off now, and now we're ready to start coloring. We just use sponges with individual colors that the customer chooses, and we randomly choose where we're going to place those colors. Once that's all had time to dry, then your project can be sealed. And this is the final touch of your overall pool deck project, and this is the end product. Isn't this amazing? Thank you again for joining me here at Concrete Design Systems. Wishing to you a grand and glorious day until we see you again in another Concrete Design Systems video episode.